a multivitamin every day. We spend some $5 billion a year on them, but a new survey shows many people aren't sure if they're taking the right one or what's even in them. So our partners at Consumer Reports just put a couple dozen to the test. Christopher Guglielmo is a personal trainer who makes taking care of himself a priority, and he takes a multivitamin every day, like nearly 40% of all adults. But with so many different multivitamins on the market, knowing which one is right for you can be confusing. So our partners at Consumer Reports tested 21 regular daily multivitamins, as well as ones for seniors and chewables for children.
Not everyone needs to take a multivitamin, particularly if you eat a balanced diet, but it's necessary for pregnant women and people on strict diets.
They had an outside lab test for the ingredients claimed, as well as anything that could be bad for you. The good news, none contained worrisome levels of heavy metals or excessive doses of any vitamin or mineral. They also tested to see how well the multivitamins dissolve. That's important so you're able to get all the nutrients. Two of the most expensive multivitamins had a bit of a problem. Some samples from Rite Aid's Whole Source Mature Adult and Vitamin Shop's One Daily did not dissolve sufficiently. And with the One Daily, samples from 2 of the 3 lots tested contained only 73% of the vitamin A that was listed.
The good news is all the other multivitamins pass Consumer Reports tests, so you can choose by price.
One of the least expensive for all 3 types was Equate from Walmart, and the Kirkland Signature multivitamins from Costco will save you even more. But something else, if you really want to cut your costs, look for multivitamin sales and buy in bulk, since many vitamins don't expire for at least a year. But of course, check that expiration date just to be sure.